Today, we are diving into the world of Git and GitHub, two powerful tools that every developer should know about. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder, understanding Git and GitHub is essential for efficient and collaborative software development. So, let's get started.
It's like a time machine for your projects. Here are some key points. Version control. Git allows you to track changes in your code, making it easy to collaborate with others and roll back to previous versions if something goes wrong. Local repository. You have a local copy of your project on your computer, which means you can work offline and save your progress. Branching. Git lets you create branches to work on new features or bug fixes without affecting the main project until you're ready. Collaboration. You can collaborate with other developers worldwide by sharing your code on GitHub. It's a hub for open source projects and teamwork. Pull requests. GitHub makes it easy to review and merge code changes from multiple contributors. It's a streamlined way to work together.
Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things coding and development.